Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email us, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. And you will want to concern yourself with this watch. For just 3 hands, there is an incredible amount that needs to be said about the Sartory Billard and Revolution SB05 Uchu. So Revolution magazine, created by Waco, is the watch enthusiast publication for the world. Waco, collaborating with Armand Billard of Sartory Billard, has created this incredible Japanese Maki-e Raden 38.5mm grade 5 titanium masterpiece. Though 10 pieces were made for 2024, no two are exactly alike, each effectively piece unique. So let's start with the basics. We have a grade 5 titanium case that is 38.5 millimeters in diameter, 9.1 millimeters thick, and 44 millimeters from lug to lug on the nose. 20 millimeters is the spacing between the lugs. We're going to throw it on my wrist. My wrist is 16 centimeters circumference. This watch is a beautiful fit. It's great for men, it's great for ladies, those who have a taste for discreet, compact cases, short lug-to-lug spacing. You're going to find from every angle this watch is perfect, and yes, it will fit underneath a dress cuff. I could recommend it for wrists as small as 13.5 centimeters circumference. Once again, my wrist is 16. The strap, you can see a calfskin on the top. We have a little bit of a copper-colored stitch, and then blue in a sort of ultramarine blue, maybe cobalt. It's a very saturated blue, matte finish. You can see on the profiles we have folded edges with lacquer to clean them up and refine the edges on the underside. You can see that once again we have a calfskin. These are made by Scarlett in Paris, as Armand Billard works almost exclusively with small creators in his sourcing of componentry. And a brand new Sartory Billard strap, no crimping, no gouging. We do have pull-tab spring bars to pop the strap off the case without tools, and you can see that curved spring bars were used so the lugs could be drilled close to the case and there'd be no impediment to the motion of the strap. We've got a buckle featuring the Sartory Billard logo. You can see a medley of polish and satin. Please forgive my fingerprints here. We also have the logo on the crown, and note the array of media blast, polish, and satination. Concave bezel, with the exception of a very shallow vertical lip. There's a ton of nuance here. I particularly like the media blasting and satination of the knurling. That's double finishing just on the knurling. Take a look at the lugs and you can see they're slightly stepped out from the case band. That's both in profile and also on the top, where there's a bit of a notch between the lug and the bezel's edge. You can also see that expanding bevel on the side, beautifully executed, but it is the dial where this watch shines. So Armand Billard, an industrial designer, was familiar with the conception of great design when he first started, but he had to teach himself to become a craftsman, and he did, creating chapterings, hands, dial furniture of surpassing beauty. And so we may as well start from the base and work our way up, because here we have traditional Japanese Urushi lacquer, made from tree sap. It is a craft art that is hundreds of years old. Now, what you're looking at here is more than that, but you have the Urushi lacquer and then Maki-e. So Maki-e is effectively lacquer with some sort of metallic or decorative element that has been lavished atop the upper layer of lacquer. The lacquer itself is multi-layer, including a charcoal base, and it's built up from the base of the dial. Ultimately, the lacquer, which is made manually from tree sap, acts as a sort of setting, typically for metallic powder, but here Tetsuya Todo, who goes under the trade name Kosetsu, as most great artists do, he has one trade name. Well, he actually takes shell lining, mother of pearl, and then places it in almost marquetry fashion on the wet lacquer. And I need to be completely clear here. These pieces are placed so that their shapes meld together, and you can see that none of them overlap. They are placed individually by hand so that there is no overlap, and their orientation varies so that you see different reflective patterns and colors from different angles. This is not mere sprinkling. This is precision placement. Now, this man is a master of his craft art. He is a teacher of his craft art, and what you're getting here is an example of a master at the absolute peak of his powers. Now, it continues outboard. You can see the metal hardware is by Armand Billard. So we have satination and polish on the chapterings, both for the small seconds and for the primary dial. You can see the hands, a combination of media blasted base steel, and then the hands feature fluted and mirrored outer arms of rose gold. So you can see they're flared, fluted, and they're actually faceted from one side to the other, and Armand takes care of this. Outboard, we have a thin sapphire disc that sits outboard of the center, and on top of that we have copper tracks and indices, the copper color matching perfectly the stitching of the strap and the tone of the hands. And then underneath that, we have an outer chapter ring of aventurine glass, which is a type of vitreous enamel that came out of Renaissance-era Italy, so enamel with little metallic elements added, a perfect complement to the Maki-e lacquer of the center dial. And this is deeply impressive stuff. This is called Raden, or shell inlaid, as a specific type of Maki-e. When I first saw it, I thought abalone, because it reminded me of the abalone inlays on custom guitars, and it's a very similar aesthetic. Mother of pearl typically doesn't have quite this degree of color to it. This is absolutely explosive and unlike anything else. With only 10 made, very few will have the pleasure. This is the second collaboration between Revolution and Sartory Billard, the first being the SB07 Ghost, but this is a much more explosive and intricate execution. Turning it all over, we have one of the best movements that Sartory Billard has ever offered. This is caliber SBM01, but it is also known as the Lacquer 7380. Manual wind, 3 Hertz, 90-hour power reserve, and a 21-joule movement adjusted in 5 positions by Armand. You can see it nicely fills out this case. We do have grade 5 titanium, which is harder than steel and grade 2, but it's just as light as grade 2, and it's hypoallergenic like all standard titaniums are. You can see the movement features beveling, it features polished screws, it features elements of media blast, satination, a wonderful combination of nickel anthracite with silvered elements, and note the double solarization of the ratchet wheel. Deeply impressive stuff, and a nice fit for the case. 5 ATM water resistance, so you still don't want to take it swimming, but at the same time, more than a standard dress watch. Standard dress watch would be about 30. A very, very special watch, and one of the coolest examples of boutique watchmaking I've ever seen. If you've ever wanted a French-made watch with a Japanese connection, well, you don't have too many options. Fortunately, this one is one of the best watches you can buy at any price. So reach out to Team Mosso at the 1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.